Good afternoon, guys. It's like 4 o'clock. I've been up for about an hour and a half, worked night shift last night, had my bullet coffee, and I'm starving today. So I'm gonna throw something together for the family, like a dinner type thing. So it won't be breakfast, it'll be more dinner for me. So I have these two Italian sausage packages that I bought. One's spicy, one mild. So I'm gonna fry those up together. Add some tomato sauce, and I think I'm gonna fry up some peppers and onions and then combine it all, and then, I don't know, somehow throw it in a casserole dish, add some cheese, something like that. I'm gonna make it up as I go, and I'll bring you along with me. So let's get cooking. And FYI, guys, I'm really hungry. I don't wanna wait till this is done, so I'm gonna snack on 2 of these while I cook. Alright guys, this is looking fabulous. I'm gonna let it cook for about 5 more minutes and then we'll just let it set for a few. Alright guys, so it is looking really good. I'm just gonna let it set on the stove for a little bit. It's a bit runny. I think if I let it set, it will be better. And I'm so hungry, so I'm just gonna eat half of this avocado, put some salt and pepper on there while I wait. And then when my food is ready, I think I'll add the other half of this on top and some sour cream. So I'll show you that when it's ready. All right, guys, let's give this a try. Ready? That's pretty good. It's got more of a kick to it than I thought. The spicy sausage, I can really taste it. But this is actually pretty delicious. Kind of reminds me of like a spicy lasagna, really. So yeah, I'm gonna go sit down, watch some TV, eat this, and then get up and start getting ready to go. I gotta watch Little Girl tonight before I go to my night job. So a couple hours to relax, and then I'm gonna head out the door. All right, guys, so it's 10:30. I'm about to head into work. I just wanted to come in and say thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed my little concoction that I made tonight. I did eat another half a bowl of that, and so I had that and some cheese strings. I just went and picked this up at Tim Hortons. It's an extra large coffee. It does have creamer in it, not heavy whipped cream, so it's a little extra carbs in there. And if I get hungry tonight, I do have some cucumber and pepper to munch on. But other than that, guys, that's going to be it for today. I do also have one of my ice drinks, like the flavored zero cal, zero everything drinks that I like to have at work. I have one of those in the fridge. I forgot to have it last night, so I will likely drink that tonight too. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me. Let me know if you try a similar recipe like the one that I made, or if you have any suggestions on how to improve on that. I'm always open to suggestions. So thanks so much for joining me. Give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Good night, guys. Okay guys, so I know I didn't show this in yesterday's video, but here's a quick overview of today's food. So I just estimated and entered the Italian sausage casserole that I made up, entered the ingredients in, and this is what we came up with. So it shows 36 grams of carbs. I had 11 grams of fiber, so it ends up being about 25 net grams of carbs, which is fabulous. My fats are really great. Protein could be a little higher, and calories were pretty much bang on. So I think this was a pretty good day of eating. It's not generally how I eat. It was like kind of just one big meal other than like maybe a snack. But yeah, still hit all my macros, and I think it did pretty good. Thanks for joining me, guys. I'll see you in my next video.